These are my 5 favorite tips on how to film and recap championship ski bike video with the ZHIYUN WEEBILL 3. I'm your host Mauro and let's get straight into it. It's always fun to film in such a contest because the skiers give their maximum to win the championship and you are there to take the moment. My first tip, the pre-race, preparations, trainings and close-ups. Get up to the details and try to catch up all of them.
Energy, 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 walking on lightning, I better be running on 10, go till it ends, you don't wanna be one of my enemies. I'm cooking, I turn up the heat and you're everyone looking, they turning to see all the work that I put in.
My second tip, recreate the action. This part will make sure you have enough B-roll to fill in the gaps. Make the whole recap video more juicier with better pacing and rhythm. If there is no music or rhythm to cheer up the crowd, use FMA mode and follow modes and create it. And to entertain the crowd, be proactive. Ask the crowd and skiers to cheer, give a high five or do a magic trick with their ski bike. This can really juice up a recap video and entertain the viewer. Number 3. Combine different lenses on your WEEBILL 3. Throw in some wide angle shots, tight angles and some telephoto. You will be able to get different perspectives and juice up the recap video. Of course, additional cameras like action cameras mounted on their chest or head and drone footage will juice up the whole thing to a next level. Remember, the most important thing, diversify your shots. Fourth tip, don't be afraid to run around with the WEEBILL 3 and take all the action. The footage will be stable and the action will be juicier. Tip number 5, always record sound. Even in windy conditions you can offer the built-in mic and connect it straight to your camera to get all the sound. In extreme windy situations, well, you can opt also for a small Rode mic with wind muff and get all the sound recorded. Include the sound in the edit cause it will be more eye-catching and more entertaining to the viewer. There you go, create your next outstanding recap video with these simple tips.